I just wanted to cover a quick fix today for the dreaded check rear parking aid warning that you receive on your dash of the 2011 to 2016 Ford SuperDuties. So today we're looking at a 2014 F350 SuperDuty. The back bumper has been replaced with a non-factory back bumper, and the rear parking sensors have been completely disabled. So in the situations like this, that was the situation on this truck. It could be any number of situations. You could have a bad parking sensor or something like that you just don't want to replace. And when you get this message, it's actually pretty easy to stop it from happening. You don't have to use any software tools. All you have to do is get under your dash, and we'll take a look there next.
Here we are under the dash of the truck. Now this is going to be on the driver's side, left side of the dash. So underneath here you'll see you have your parking brake, you've got your OBD port here, and if you look up you'll see a gray pigtail right here. So this gray pigtail is a majority of what that parking system is connected to. So in order to stop that error from happening whenever you're in reverse and after you're in reverse, you just reach up, there's a little piece of plastic right here, a plastic catch. You push that down, you pull out the entire pigtail, and you can just leave that hanging right there. And now from here on out, after you've done that, whenever you go into reverse, go back into drive or any other gear, you'll no longer see that rear parking aid error anymore. So that's the easy fix to your problem. No software solutions needed. Just unplug the system and you'll receive no more errors.